Hi, this is Zach from Zach's Traders Cafe with a look at some bulletin board hero stocks on Friday the 1st of July. Starting off with Armadale Capital, where the shares are making good on this higher late June support at and above the 1.5 pence level versus the old 1.18 support. While there's no breakback below 1.5 pence, we're looking for our initial target at this November resistance line at 2.6 pence and then up to the main resistance post-February 4 pence plus over the next month or so. I'm moving along to Highland Natural Resources, and here we've had quite a journey after the double top over 70 pence. Consolidation in the recent past at and above the 20 pence level, and it looks as though just breaking this line here from mid-June at 28 pence on an end-of-day close could take the shares back up to 40 pence. Initially over the next couple of weeks, which is the 50-day moving average. Stop loss back below 20 pence. Infrastrata is next, and decent 3-day rebound towards this line of support, falling line of support from January at just above 1 pence, 1.05 pence, yesterday's low. And while we hold above that on an end-of-day close basis, we've got a bear trap rebound from below the March support at 1.18 pence, which should take us up to 2 pence over the next 4 to 6 weeks. 2.1 pence is the 50-day moving average level, and we've got this resistance line there from April, which combines with that. On to Nighthawk Energy next, and here you can see how the shares have really been in an extended consolidation since the beginning of April. Nice gap through the 50-day moving average there at 0.95 pence, and really while we're above that, and with the combination of a trend line break in the RSI window, there should be further decent upside. Target here over the next 4 to 6 weeks as high as 2 pence, which is this resistance line here from November. Stop loss back below 3/4 penny, which is that last June support. On to Encondezi Energy, where slow progress here, but we've got this double rebound off the 200-day moving average at 3.5 pence, and really while we're above that, we've got the initial target of 4.4 pence at the 50-day moving average, and then on to 7 pence at the top of a rising trend channel from December over the next couple of months. Be cautious on the shares. Just wait for that 4 pence level to be cleared on a weekly close basis, and that should provide the momentum, especially if the RSI breaks above 50 by the early part of next week. On to a rather strong looking chart here over the last couple of months, or actually probably the last 3 months really. The big giveaway as far as the upside here, the vast gap through the 50 and 200-day moving averages at the end of April, and that led us to a sideways consolidation. Very bullish one above the 200-day moving average at 15.36 pence, and the latest gap through the resistance at 18 pence. Target here up to 23 pence, which is a late October rising trend channel feature, and that could be hit as soon as the next couple of weeks. Finishing off with Powerhouse Energy, which has shown promise, let's say, over the recent past, but never quite delivered yet. Probably still waiting for an end-of-day close, a decent end-of-day close above the 200-day moving average at 0.86 pence. But it looks as though if we can do that on this occasion with the much higher support we've had for June versus May, the shares may finally be on their way for the target at 1.5 pence, which is the autumn resistance of last year. At this stage, only back below 0.5 pence would really question the upside or the recovery scenario. That's it from me. More updates at the same time on Monday.